Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Priyanka Kashid from Department of Chemistry, SSGM College, Kopargaon. In previous lecture, we have started the chapter Protection of Plants in Agricultural Chemistry. Let us move to synthetic organic insecticides. They have contact and stomach poison action and are sometimes used as a fumigants. However, the contact action predominates. These are commercial group of insecticides for insect control. They are further divided according to their chemical natures. First one is organic chlorine insecticide, organophosphorus insecticides, carbamate insecticides, miscellaneous insecticides. Then let us begin the organic organochlorine insecticides. This group contains carbon, hydrogen and chlorine as the major constituents. They are known as chlorinated hydrocarbons or chlorinated insecticides or chlorinated synthetics. Example DDT, BHC and cyclopentadiene derivatives like aldrin and dieldrin. Then we have seen in detail DDT. DDT means 1,1,1 trichloro 2,2 bis parachlorophenyl ethane. Preparation of DDT is produced by the exothermic condensation of chloral with chlorobenzene in presence of sulfuric acid as a catalyst. I have shown the DDT structure. There is one chlorinated benzene ring. There is trichloromethane, Cl, Cl and Cl. It is the structure of DDT. Then properties of DDT is a white crystalline almost colorless solid of M and melting point is the 109 degrees centigrade. It is a soluble in a benzene, petrol, ethanol, liquid, freon, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, xylene but insoluble in ether and water. The pure para-isomer of DDT is thermally stable. However, its decomposition starts above 195 degrees Celsius. Then uses. It has a wide use as a herbicides, fungicides and rodenticide in agriculture. It is a highly potent and kills a wide range of insects by both contact and injection. It has little smell and does not taint food. Then next one is BHC means the benzene hexachloride. Formula is C6H6Cl6. Then it is prepared by benzene plus 3 molecules of chlorine gives the sunlight. Then gamma benzene hexachloride linden is prepared. Then I will show you the structure of benzene hexachloride. Cl, H, Cl, then Cl, H, Cl, H, H. It is below the plane. Cl and H. 1 minute. is in the carbon, Cl and H. Okay. Then properties. The pure R hexane is also known as linden or gamma BHC. It is almost white crystalline solid. Melting point is 110 degrees Celsius with a smell resembling phosgene. It causes tainting of foods with which it comes in contact. It is fairly toxic to human beings because of its volatile nature. It acts more rapidly than the DDT. Linden has no odor and leaves less residue in a food and storage product. Then uses of the BHC. It is used to control various harmful insects, plant pests and animal parasites. It along with linden has been used in a combination with a seed disinfectant like ethyl mercury chloride. Then the fungicide is the important point in our lecture or in our syllabus. Fungicides is defined as it is a chemical substance used to kill growth called fungi that are harmful to human beings and plants. Diseases caused by fungi can destroy or seriously damage food crops. Fungicides are sprayed or dusted onto plants to kill fungal diseases called rust, mildews, smuts, and molds. They are used to protect potatoes, aphids, and other crops from fungal diseases are called blight and scab. Many kinds of seeds are dipped in a fungicides to prevent damping of a diseases that kills young plant. Human beings are used the preparation containing fungicides to prevent such a diseases as athlete's foods. Then when the fitting shoes are weird, then we have the fungus in the both of the fingers in between there is a fungal. Then we have used to ring guard. Then fabrics are treated with the fungicides to prevent rottings. Then classification of fungicides. There are two classes: inorganic and the organic fungicides. Inorganic fungicides, these are made up from metal compounds. Example Bordeaux mixture, sulfur compounds and or lime sulfur. Inorganic fungicides are made from metal compounds. Copper compounds have been widely used to protect against mildew on fruit trees, grapes, wines, and vegetables, and to treat seeds. Among the copper compounds, Bordeaux mixture, which contains copper sulfate and lime, is generally used. Other compounds contain carbonate, chloride, hydroxide, and sulfate. Sulfur and lime sulfur are used to control scab and another fungal diseases called the brown rot, which attack fruits. Then the sulfur compounds is also used to control certain plant diseases, insects and mites. Then the sulfur is a slow fungicide and has long residual effect. It is a volatile in nature, so readily act as a fungicide by formation of either SO2 or H2S with the atmospheric O2. It also acts as a hydrogen acceptor in the metabolic system, and this disturbs the normal dehydrogenation and hydrogenation reactions of the fungal cell. It forms H2S in the formation of process and act directly on the protoplasm of the fungus mycelium or spore and kill it. Then copper fungicides. Copper fungicides have a stronger effect on germination spores than on the growth and development of the mycelium of fungi. The fungal action is due to absorptivity of the cytoplasm of the cell of fungi, though these are slightly soluble in water, but they dissociate to give copper iron in a water, which are absorbed by the spores of fungi, and thus the equilibrium is the distributed. The dissolving of copper is facilitated by substance evolved by plants, fungi, and carbon dioxide. Then important copper fungicides are the Bordeaux mixture. Bordeaux mixture is the also important. How it is prepared: the copper sulfate and lime plus water gives the Bordeaux mixture. I will show you the reaction of preparation of Bordeaux mixture. CuSO4 copper sulfate plus calcium hydroxide means the lime plus water molecule gives CuSO4 dot calcium and H2O. This is the Bordeaux mixture. This is also important, and the use of it is the effective against downy mildews, late blight of potatoes and tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, beets, alfalfa and medicinal plants. Then let us move to fungicides. Fungicides, then the organic fungicides. In these organic fungicides, dithiocarbamates is the first organic fungicides. They are derivatives of dithiocarbamic acid, which does not occur in a free state. It reacts with another molecule of dithiocarbamic acid or metal to form stable and fungi toxic compounds, which are known as dithiocarbamates or dithiocarbamate fungicides. The general formula of dithiocarbamates is the alkyl group R1 sulfur carbon double bond sulfur nitrogen, second alkyl group and third alkyl group. R1 is the generally aromatic ring, R2 is the usually methyl group, and R3 is the hydrogen or methyl group. It is prepared by treating amine with carbon disulfide to form dithiocarbamic acid, which on treatment with NOH gives sodium salt. The use of dithiocarbamates are: the sodium salts of ethylene bis dithiocarbamate is used with zinc sulfate and calcium oxide. These salts are used to combat vegetable blights, particularly potatoes and tomatoes. Then temic. Temic is the prepared by reaction of the oxime with methyl isocyanate. Then we have get the temic. Then the preparation of the temic is, I will show you the structure of temic. CH3, S, C, CH3, CH3, CH, double bond nitrogen, oxygen, then C double bond O, NH, CH3. Okay, this is the temic. The properties of temic is it is a white crystalline substance, melting point is 100 degrees Celsius. In spite of its high toxicity, it has been poisoned as a systematic nematicides for introduction into the soil in the form of special granules, and it is used to control weeds to planting of beans, beets, carrots, potatoes and many other crops. Then the next one is Misorol. Misorol, it is prepared by the action of 4-methyl mercapto 3,5 dimethylphenol with methyl isocyanate in the presence of triethylamine. This reaction is carried out any organic solvent like a benzene. Then it has a properties. It is a crystalline odorless substance. Melting point is 122 degrees Celsius. It is highly soluble in a most organic solvents but almost insoluble in a water. And it is used broad spectrum insecticides for the control of pest of fruits and the vegetables. Next one is the quinones. Quinones, next one is zenith. Zenith is the white crystalline substance. It is one of the most important fungicides used as in agriculture. Other fungicides like dialite means Avadex, Farbam, Giram, Manev are used to control apple rust, fruit rotting and leaf diseases of vegetables. Then let us move to quinones. They are plant products occurring in a plant and can also be produced synthetically by oxidation of plant phenolic compounds. All these compounds are yellow crystalline substances insoluble in water and soluble in organic compounds. The inhibition of the enzymes by fungicides could be reversed by crystalline or glutathione. Then let us move to herbicides. Herbicides is also important point. Herbicide is a chemical compound used to control or destroy unwanted plants. And herbicides are also called weed killer. Herbicides are classified into the two ways. First one is two types, selective and the non-selective. Non-selective, it is used to kill weed only without damaging the crop, and non-selective herbicides is also destroy all crops and vegetation, and also total weed killer is also called as the non-selective herbicides. Then herbicides also classify into the two types, systematic or translocated or growth regulators and contact herbicides. First one is systematic herbicides. Systematic herbicides are they can move along vascular systems of plants acting on their entire organisms. They are effective against perennial weeds with a deep root system and also against shrubs. Uniform application is needed for the translocated chemicals, whereas a complete covering is not needed. Then contact herbicides, second one is they kill only the part of plant which they are applied but are not virtually translocated in a plant, and hence they do not affect the root system of weeds. Complete coverage is essential in a weed control. In this case, a soil sterilant is any chemical which prevents the growth of weeds when present in the soil, the rate of application of such a chemical is a very high, and their effect remains in a soil for a long period, that is the 6 months or 2 years. 6 months to 2 years. Then example of inorganic chemicals, borates and chlorates, organic compounds like triazions, urea, herbicides, etc. Then the epthalm means the EPTC. It has the properties. It is a liquid with a unpleasant odor. Boiling point is 127 at 20 millimeter of mercury. It is highly soluble in most organic solvents, and it is widely used as a herbicides to control weeds in a planting of alfalfa, beans, roots, carrots, cabbage, potatoes, and many other crops. Then romate is the next weed killer. It is prepared by reacting 3,4-dichlorobenzyl alcohol with methyl isocyanate and benzene at a room temperature in the presence of dibutylene acetate as a catalyst. And its properties are melting. It is a crystalline substance. Melting point is 53 to 54 degrees Celsius. Boiling point is 139 degrees Celsius at a zero point 0.5 millimeter Hg. It is almost insoluble in water but highly soluble in the most organic solvent, and it is used for the control of weeds in a planting of cotton, potatoes, tobaccos, and some of the other crops. Then in this fashion our chapter is finished, protection of plants. Thank you for watching.